Pag-ibig Nation, this is Robby Faustino reporting today, April 4, 2017, first Tuesday of the month. So update ko lang kayo mga Pag-ibig team. Nagkaroon po kami ng meeting kaninang umaga regarding sa aming projection sa araw na ito. And then ang total po ng projection namin sa araw na ito ay 120,000 at 5 curing. Unfortunately, ang total posted lang po namin today is 97,066.93 pesos at 2 cured. And we're looking forward na within this week ay makalahati na namin yung target namin or 1/4. So this is the update for today, Pag-ibig Nation, and thank you for watching.